Hi everyone, good morning again. Today we will be doing 9.1b on straight line. That's changing the equation from one format to another. Okay, let's look at this one. Right, change equation from y equals to mx plus c into these two forms. The first one is ax plus by equals to c, and this one is x over a plus y over b equals to 1. How do we go about it? Take a look at the two examples here. Okay, the given equation of a straight line in the format y equals to mx plus c, which is the a, y equals to 3x plus 12. So can you see the m is the 3 here, the c is the 12 here. How to convert into this term? Okay, let's look at it. Y equals to 3x plus 12. What do you do? Since we need the ax to the left, so move the term to the left. So you'll get, once you move the 3x over to the left, it becomes negative 3x plus y. The y remains the same, equals to 12. Okay, very simple, right? Okay, but let's look at this format. The same equation, y equals to 3x plus 12, we are supposed to change it to x over a plus y over b equals to 1. Looks so very confusing, right? Don't worry. Now let's look at it. First, move the 3x over to the left, right? Okay, once you move the 3x over here, it becomes negative 3x plus y equals to 12. Okay, right. Then you divide everything. In order to make the c to 1, you must make this into 1, right? So divide this by the same number. So you divide not only this one, all the other terms here by 12. So you get something like that, right? Okay, so your final answer turns out to be negative x over 4 plus y over 12 equals to 1. Let's look at the example B. Y equals to negative 2x minus 8. Okay, bring the negative 2x to the left, so you get negative 2x become positive 2x plus y equals to negative 8. Now over here, move the negative 2x over to the left, you get positive 2x plus y equals to negative 8, correct? Now to make this 1, what must you do? You divide by the same number, that is by negative 8. When you divide here by negative 8, all the other terms here also you do the same, divide by negative 8. So your final answer is going to be the 2 and negative 8 will reduce to negative x over 4. Okay, positive and negative becomes negative y over 8 equals to negative and negative becomes positive 1. Okay, right, very good. Let's move to the other one. Okay, now change the equation from ax plus by equals to c into x over a plus y over b equals to 1 and y equals to mx plus c. So the equation now is in this form, ax plus by equals to c, which is 2x plus 6y equals to 18. Right, what do you do? Divide everything by 18. Very simple. So you get the 2 and 18 gives you x over 9, 6 and 18 gives you y over 3 equals to 1. This one very simple. Move the 2x to the right, so 2x becomes negative, so 6y equals to negative 2x plus 18. Divide everything by 6. So y equals to negative 2 over 6 gives you negative 1 over 3x. 18 divided 6 gives you 3. Second example, negative 3x plus 4y equals 12. Okay, divide everything by 12. So you will get, right, negative 3x over 12 plus 4y over 12 equals to 12 over 12. So final answer is negative x over 4 plus y over 3 equals to 1. What about here? Y equals to mx plus c. Bring the negative 3x to the right. So negative become positive. So 4y equals to 3x plus 12. Divide everything by 4. You get y equals to 3 over 4x plus 3. Okay, you got it? Right. So you can revert back to the video again and again and watch it until you understand. Right. Then the third way of changing the equation from x over a plus y over b equals to 1 into ax plus by plus c and y equals to mx plus c. Take a look at this. It's in this format, right? So what I do, this denominator 2 and 3, I must make all the denominators must be same. So what I do, the LCM is 6, right? So you times here by 3, times here by 2. Can you see that? So the top part here becomes 3x and this becomes 2y. Both denominator becomes 6, right? So under one roof it becomes 6 equals to 1. Then next step, move the 6 to the right. So when divide comes to the right becomes times. So 1 times 6 becomes 6. So 3x plus 2y becomes equals to 6. Okay, simple, right? Let's look at this one, how to change this to mx plus c. Very simple. Bring the x plus 2 over to the right. Okay. You'll get y over 3 equals to negative x over 2 plus 1. Then to get rid of the 3, I must multiply all by 3. So multiply here 3, here also by 3. So 3 and 3 cancel, you get y. This becomes negative. Bring the 3 here, negative 3 over 2x. 1 times 3 is plus 3. Okay, look at the second example. 3 over x over 2 minus y over 6 equals 1. Okay, denominator must be same. Now between 2 and 6, denominator is actually common denominator is 6, right? So here times by 3, here you times by 1, or you don't need to times anything. So you get 9x minus y, common denominator 6 equals to 1. Bring the 6 to the right. So 9x minus y equals to 6. Okay, you can see here. Over here, bring this x term to the right. So instantly you will get, don't change this negative sign. Now this negative sign is for y over 6. So when you bring the 3x over 2 here, it becomes negative 3 over 2x plus 1. Okay, normally students, when they bring this over here, they make this positive. Now this sign, I repeat again, is for this term. So when this positive comes over here, it becomes negative. Now how to get rid of negative and 6? Since it's at the bottom, so you can say times everything by negative 6. You see, take a look at this. So negative y over 6 times negative 6. Everything I times by negative 6. See? Negative 3 over 2x times negative 6 and plus 1 times negative 6. Negative and 6 and negative and 6 cancel off, giving you positive y, right? So this you get negative 3 and negative 3 here makes it positive 9x and this is minus 6. Okay, right. I'll stop here. I'll make another video because it will become too big. I can't upload. So up to here you're fine. The second part of it, I'm going to do another video. Okay, wait for another one. Thank you.